Hello my good people, welcome back to my channel. This is Ken Ochilo. uh, Today I just want to show you guys something. Specifically there's a request which someone had made, one of my subscribers, and I just want to help out, so I decided just to do a bit of this video so that it can help to solve that issue. So maybe there's other people that it can also help. So it is on a Sunday. It's around noon, and we are still working. We are still trying to finalize with the kitchen tiles and the washroom tiles. So I'll show you around. If you remember following this project, it's the project that we've been doing in Kisumu County, specifically Sondu. So just let's take a look at the issues that I want to address. So let's start from here. So starting from here, we just want to see how these gutters were fixed and the issue we had. One, let me start from this side so that you can see it clearly. You see from here, if you stand from here, this is a hilly place, so you can see this gutter, it has bent. You see that one, it's not from there, it has bent, then coming. So the water is supposed to flow from this end going towards, so that it can come all the way to this tank, this roto tank. And we have issues because now when these guys were building this tank, the positioning was done wrong, because we need to follow the height of the house. So the height of the house, also you can't go against the the physics, the physics part of it, which is we have to see which part is higher than which one. So this part is lower and this part is higher. So it will be very difficult for water to flow all the way from the other sources to come all the way to come and gather here. Now that brings us to another issue, that also these parts, when you are coming from this side, the water will flow. This one, the water will flow, as you can see. That one, it will flow, but not that much, because you have to, when you have to look for you have to look for the way the flow, so that it doesn't flow back. So this part is a bit higher. So for these guys to fix this, they had to do, like you can see, this thing is not fixed properly, because they were being fixed lower to give the flow of the water so that it can gather in the tank there. So that brought another issue. The water from the other end are now going at a loss, because wastage, because they can't flow back, because we have to also follow the physics, the gravity. So it's going against the gravity. It's supposed to be, all this tank was supposed to be placed on the other end, so that it will be very easy to flow back to the position where you are supposed to put the tank. Now what we have done now, we have changed, because now you see we have everything. We have kitchen here, and also we have the bathroom and the toilets are on this part, of all of them. And also this is the lower part, so meaning we are at the right position, we are at the right place, where we will have a flow with ease. So this is the issue. This thing is higher, the water can't flow back to the hill. So that's the one mistake these people did. So for us to fix this, we came up and decided that we are going to do a tower at this position. At this position, it will be very easy, being that we have the toilet here, and also we have we have the kitchen on the other end. You can see that one on the further side, that one the kitchen. Then this one we are seeing at the middle, that one is for the vanity. And here we have the toilet and the washroom. So all the water will be flowing inside, and it will be easy for that to go. And we will also be harvesting all the water at this point where I'm standing now, because we are going to have have the tower at this position here where you are seeing here. So it will be very easy for this to come. Now the issue my subscriber was asking, the positioning and where to hack when you are hacking the wall from the outside. Now that one will depend with two very few things. One being that where do you want to place your tower? That will determine where you will hack on the wall. Secondly, what will determine is the positioning of your toilets, either toilet, kitchen, and the washroom, depending with where you want the water to flow. So if for example, this one because we have the toilet and the washroom here, we have decided that the water will enter in through this, that you can see. Hope so. Yes, it will enter in the house through that. And we have just hacked here. This one we have done it. We left it there that way just because there's no way we could hack inside, because there is a timber and also some steel inside there. So we never wanted to interfere with those ones. So that's why from the top we have left it here. But again, this area will be sealed, so that one will not be seen at the end of the day. Now we have hacked here for us to get the water to flow very easy. This one, it's going inside, and also it's going throughout the washroom, and also toward the kitchen. So that one we did that before, because it's passing on the ceiling. And this one, because this one is the decision we made late, that's why we hacked from outside, going to this end, because we wanted it to come to the vanity here. So this is the vanity, that's why we wanted to put it here. Yes, the vanity will be here from the inside. So instead of hacking from the inside, because we have a lot of challenges from the inside, we have the partitioning of the room, so that will bring a lot of work. So that's why the reason why we did it from the outside. It's very easy when you are doing it from the outside, just to prevent a lot of things from the because we have those partition, and a lot of work have been done from the inside. So those are things that will determine where you want to place your hacking. And also what you will have to check on is if you have done the plastering from the inside and outside, you have not done the plastering, it will be very easy. So you don't want to redo the plastering from the inside the room, so it will be very easy. So at some point here, after the other pipe, this one, it was coming from the inside. Now we have the kitchen here, and we never wanted to interfere with those ones, so we opted to bring it from the outside, then hack the wall, then it goes to the kitchen. So those are the issues you will check on when you are doing the hacking. Check on the position where your kitchen is, and also check on where the toilets, and also check where the gravity, and also where your source of the water, where it is coming from. It is from the tank. Where have you positioned the tank? If it is from that one, we call it from the city councils, then where is it placed? How can it flow to the house? Make sure it's on a secure area. So I think this will help. Maybe if there's something that I've not mentioned, I'll just try to do that, you'll also tell me. So just to give you a quick recap of what we have done, you see we have done, so this one we are going to do a manhole here where we are going to join that and this. So this one's coming from the kitchen, it's going all through. And also we have also done, we are also going to do a manhole here. That's why we have left it that way. And also a manhole is going to be, another one going to be here. So this one we have done, actually this one, if you can remember in the previous video, we've said this is just temporary, we are going to remove it. So this one we have not done much work because we are supposed to be dug more deeper, but we're just doing it here for just a few months. It's just temporary, in short. We will replace it. So this one will replace it. It will go all the way to behind those bricks. We're going to do this septic tank on the corner behind those bricks there. So this one is just temporary. This one we're just directing it there temporarily to make the work easier for now, for this person who will be living here or will be using this house for those few months. So up to there, I think that's what we have done. So yesterday we did a lot of hacking here. So these ones were done yesterday. We are trying to compete with the time because the time is really spent. So these ones were done yesterday. I've not shown you this before because they were just done yesterday. So let's also get inside and see what's going on so far. We have also done a few. So these are the tiles we are working on. So this one, you can see they are gray in color. So we decided to go with the gray on the toilets and the washroom, just to make it a little bit. I always like the gray on the wall. It's because of the dirt and everything. It's easy to clean and also it matches well. So that's the reason. So Sola and Chio. Well, so we job more so we give more. Yeah, so this one so far we have done. We are doing we have done the tilings in the kitchen. It's all done. It's done neatly. But currently we are doing just the touch-up. You can see these ones. That one cannot be seen well. So this is the groutings we are doing at the moment. After doing this, I think we'll do a clean. We'll clean everything there, and also I will also show you on what we have done. So this is the sink. So this is the sink. It's a double sink and it's deep enough to wash. And also we have this one. This one is very I like it. That's why the reason why I went for this is because when you are working here, maybe you don't want to go out to just to do the waste, so you will place the waste here. Then after finishing, you can carry this and go and maybe pour them in the dustbin. So when you are doing things which are solid, we can block, you can only do that and place them here. So if you don't have the dustbin under the kitchen and under the sink, so it can be done here. So that's why we have that. So we're going to do this. We have the issues. Gray. Juu unaweza weka hata tuko na filler hapo, unaweza weka tu filler ili ionyeshe, but hiyo itawekwa nini? So gray weka pande ile. Shughulikia hapo, fanya usafi hapa ndani au utapaka hiyo mpaka chini kwa gray. So now this one we have done some few. We had a hack here. This one we hacked it and replaced. Sorry. And you can see now we have the we have done that. And also this is why I was telling you we have done the gray color. It's always come out very clean and easy to clean, and also rather than white, the white will show a lot of dirt. Maybe if the person cleaning is not clean enough, but gray always I like it to do on the wall of the any washroom or toilet. So this is the position. Here is where I was showing you from the outside, where the pipe, the supply of water, you can see. So that's where we can open through there. And also we have this point. This is for the power for the instant shower. And also we have fixed, the last time, I don't know if you saw this, we also fixed the doors. So we are nearly finishing up with these ones. So here is where we are going to do, the vanity. The vanity is going to be placed here. So I've shown you from the outside where the position here. So these are the changes which were made lately. So we didn't have this in plan, so that's why it came later. And currently you can see here we have separated both the toilet and the washroom. So here we are going to do the toilet, and we have also hacked the floor so that it had a lot. You can get the flow of the water towards there. So we are going to press that. Yeah. So far that's what's going on here. And this called Dominic. Salimia watu wako. Yeah, that's Dominic. Yes, so I think those are the few changes that we have done. And again, what we did on the kitchen, I think I'll explain all those. We have done the skirting. The skirting we have done with the ceramics. Yeah, so this one was done with the ceramics. What we did, we didn't use the normal planes. So we just used the block board to raise it up a bit, to raise the cabinet up a bit, then put all the cabinet on top of it, then do a skirting just neatly with the ceramic, which is similar color to what we have done on the floor. So sometimes we go that way. Yes. So up to there, I think I've done much explanation to the concern which was raised by one of my subscribers. So up to there. So up to there, my good people, I think we are okay. So those are the issues that we can work with. And also, I think there was also a question about the positioning of the poles when you want to put the electricity, or you want to bring the power in your compound. That one, it also depend with the positioning of your compound, and also it will also depend with where the road is. And just make sure all the electrical wires doesn't fall or pass through on top of any building. So it doesn't matter the position, but just make sure where the road will be, and also if there is any house where the how do we call it, the wires will pass through. So up there, thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.